I want to go upstairs. Can we go upstairs?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, thank you so much. How convenient.
Where's your mouth? 6. Where's your mouth?
Oh, good. Good job. That way I can't get up.
6.
Okay, can you come back down here? It's time to go.
No.
No?
Listen to the world it says.
Okay, can you open it and come back down in here? We're going to get your coat on.
No.
No? Okay, time to go.
Bye-bye. It's
Good.
up.
Okay, can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, come on out.
Mm.
Now can you shut it behind you?
Yeah.
Great.
It's up.
Thank you so much.